Crafty Home ARK. So in this video we are going to show you a challenging game. This is so fun. We both are going to play this game. So in this game I will say what we have to do. We will be having a bottle and we have a bit water, and I will be rotating this bottle. If this bottle goes to her side, the top of the bottle goes to her side, so I'll be the one who's going to ask her the questions and she will be eating any one of this. And if this bottle comes to my side, she will say, what should I eat? So this is so fun. And the things here we have are, we have one salt with water. Here we have chili water with chili powder and some water. Here we have turmeric powder with water. Here we have imli with water and some pickles. They're so spicy pickles. And here we have salt. So these are the things here, and this chili powder with water, I'm the one who made this. I put a many chili powder in this. Even the salt water, I put many salt water. So this is the game, and we also kept 2 glasses of water for emergencies. So this is the game. So let's get started. So this is fun. So we will be trying with stone, paper, scissors, and we'll check who is going to play the game. So rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Yeah! So she is the one who is going to rotate this bottle. Okay. Again. Oh my god, this is on my side, so she will be asking me to eat any one of this. So you have to drink chili water. Oh my god. I don't want to drink it. It smells bad. I don't want to drink it. That was too spicy. Yeah, the one which I made, I got 3 tips. Oh my god, we have to drink 3 tips. Oh, my neck is very hot. I don't want it. That was so bad. So now it's my turn to rotate, and if it goes to her side, I'll be asking her the things to drink. If it comes to my side, she'll be asking me to drink it. No, it's to my side. Okay. Again, she is the one who is going to ask me to eat it. So you have to drink turmeric water. She's giving me so bad things to eat. I don't want it. Yes, it's too yellow. My eyes This is so bad, guys. That's enough. 3 tips? No. You have to do. Now it's her turn to rotate. Yes! Now it's my turn to ask her what to eat because she got this part. So she will be eating raw salt. This is just a salt, this type of salt. I just took out a lot of salt. So she will have to eating 3 pinches of salt. Guys, this is so fun. She can't even eat. You have to eat 3 times. Guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon and share and comment below the comment box. Ew. Okay. Now for the next one, she's going to rotate. Again. Yes, I'm the one who is going to ask her the question because this part went to her side. Now what to give? I'll give her the hard one. No. I'm thinking to give her this salt water because I'm the one who made this salt water. I added 3 spoons of salt and just a bit of water in this. So she's the one who needs to drink this. So she'll be having to drink 3 times. Oh, that's it? What is that? Guys, this is so fun. I love this game. Guys, look at her face. It's blushed. I don't want to. Please, I don't. Okay, now it's my turn to rotate. She just drank one. That's okay. So I'll start. Oh, it's on my side. So she's the one who need to ask me to drink any one of that. So what will I... Okay, wait. I will be giving you... what will be... Oh, Imli water. Oh, that's so nice. Smells really bad. I added everything many in this. I'm the one who made everything. It's too yummy. That's okay. What is my face? 3 times, right? My tongues are like sore. It's complete sore. I even added some salt. I thought I'll give this one to her that I made this time, but I got it. Oh my god. That's okay. That was cool. Now I think my chance. No, it's her chance. Okay. One more. Yay! I'm the one who's giving her. So I think we already gave many of them. So it's my turn to give. So I'll be giving her some pickles. I think this is so spicy pickles. It's a lemon pickles, so it smells good. It's very spicy. I even added some chili powder and some salt in this to make it more spicy and sour. So you can eat 3 times. I don't want to. Is it chili? Yes. Guys, if you're seeing my video first time, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and press the bell icon. If you like these things, please comment also. How was it? Maybe one. I think this is so nice. Thank God I didn't get the salt water and the salt because I'm the one who made this and I wanted to give those two things to her. That's it. So everything is over and we played this game very nicely. So hope you all enjoyed my channel and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon below, and hope you all enjoyed and see you in my next video. And if you see my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you like her, just comment, and if you like me, just comment below the comment box. If you like me the most, give a like and thumbs up, or if you like her, give a thumbs up, and if you like those things, like, share, subscribe. That's it. So thank you. We are signing out from Crafty Home ARK. See you in the next video soon, and my next live I will be coming soon. So hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.